Hi, welcome to WebbsAI. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to share our website with the community. Start by clicking on the menu in the top left corner. Select Share with Community from the dropdown. However, you need to publish the site before sharing it. To publish, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Publish. In the pop-up, type your subdomain name, click Save, then select your staging domain. Once done, click on Publish Now. This will publish your website and get it ready for sharing. Now, click on the menu in the top left corner and select Share with Community from the dropdown. You can now add a title, a description, and tags to your website before sharing. Once done, click Share with Community. Your website has been shared. Now, go back to your dashboard and scroll down to From the Community. You can now see your shared website in this section. Thanks for watching.